Yeah, we are going to unbox the soundbar S70T 2024 not models. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So just pull this. That will be the subwoofer. You can just cut that. Cut. Ladies and gentlemen, this is like 3.1.1. That's the subwoofer, and so it comes with two cables. This will be the wall mount. I'll not open this, but just know it comes with a wall mount for the bar. Then the remote also comes with one HDMI. So this is the remote, how it looks like, and as usual it's the same like the previous remote. And so wait, you just have to open here, open from here. No, open here. I'm telling you to open from here. So you can just pull it out like that. Just okay. And ladies and gentlemen, it comes with one up-firing speaker, so it will be like 3.1.1. Comes with the orchestra, then one interface, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, then HDMI, and 400 watts of sound output. So ladies and gentlemen, that has been for today. I love you all, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.